Hi, your family. Welcome to all trending Mzansi. But Mkosi, you all remember the story between Entlembali and Black Coffee and how they ended up getting a divorce. So Entlembali alleges that Black Coffee cheated, and then she saw that she is definitely going to die when Black Coffee impregnated two women while he was still married to her, which is indeed Mkosi a shock because Haibo, who wants to get married just to be cheated on, and on top of that, Ingane Zivele. This was indeed a sad moment for Entlembali. But from Gosi, Musakaula posted this following picture of Bear Coffee and a woman, and then he alleges that is the baby mama that Entle ended up getting divorced for. He lacks discipline, but we will keep quiet and not say anything because he's a man. Society norms it's always women who are at fault. Men will clap hands for him, and I am sure he's proud of this too, a tweep said. I am glad she got paid for all the nonsense she tolerated. Now, what she needs to do is get a man who will be a great stepfather to those kids and enjoy life. God came through for her. Another one added. Clearly, he has a type. Marriage to Ndlimbali is starting to look like it was an arranged marriage. Another tweet stated, Hashem Niyakuluma. But Kosi, this it is what it is. Currently, we are not sure whether Ndlimbali is dating or not. But Ubutiza, Black Coffee, we all know that he is in a relationship because he's forever posting his beautiful woman on all social media platforms. We really hope Ntambali will be okay and will come all right. And if love does visit her, we really hope that she's going to receive it and enjoy it as it comes. But please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.